Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is how the noise pollution affected mental health of people. In the bustling city of World, life never paused. The streets were always alive with the blare of car horns, the rumble of buses, construction machines hammering endlessly, and music spilling from cafes and apartments. To outsiders, it might have seemed vibrant, but for those living within it, becoming a sleepless nights, short tempers, and fraying minds. Clara Thompson, a 32-year-old graphic designer who worked from her tiny apartment on the 5th floor of an old building. Clara had always enjoyed her work. Creativity flowed naturally when she was calm and focused. But over the past year, she found herself struggling. Concentration had become elusive. Headaches were a daily occurrence. Her heart often raced for no apparent reason, and a constant irritability shadowed her like a dark cloud. Clara wasn't alone. Across the street lived Mr. Patel, a retired schoolteacher known for his calm demeanor and warm smile. Yet, he had become noticeably withdrawn. The constant construction of a new shopping complex beside his building made him restless. He often complained of chest pains and was diagnosed with hypertension, a condition his doctor linked to chronic stress. Children, too, were not spared. In local schools, teachers noticed increased behavioral problems. Students who once excelled were now inattentive, tired, and anxious. The school counselor, Ms. Rivera, initiated a small survey and discovered something alarming. Over 70% of students reported poor sleep quality due to nighttime noise in their neighborhoods. The city hospital's psychiatry department also noted a sharp rise in patients with anxiety, sleep disorders, and even depression. Dr. Marcus Lee, a seasoned psychiatrist, compiled data over 6 months and found a disturbing pattern. Almost all his patients lived in high-noise zones, near train tracks, busy roads, or industrial sites. He started a campaign, Sound of Silence, Healing Minds in a Noisy World. His goal was to raise awareness about the invisible damage noise pollution was causing. With the help of local media, Clara's illustrations, and testimonies from residents like Mr. Patel, the campaign gained traction. Experts explained how constant exposure to noise triggers the body's stress response, elevating cortisol levels, disrupting sleep cycles, and impairing cognitive functions. It doesn't just irritate, it chips away at mental well-being. Over time, this leads to chronic stress, anxiety, and even depressive disorders. Clara began using noise-canceling headphones and rearranged her work schedule to early mornings when the city was somewhat quieter. She also joined a community group that lobbied for better urban planning, stricter regulations on construction hours, and the creation of quiet zones in neighborhoods. Slowly, changes came. The city council implemented new regulations limiting nighttime construction and rerouting heavy traffic away from residential areas. Green spaces were expanded, and a citywide campaign promoted quiet hours in public spaces. Though the noises of city life never vanished entirely, they lessened. A year later, Clara felt like herself again. Her creativity returned, and her smile became more genuine. Mr. Patel resumed his evening walks. Schools noticed better behavior among students. And Dr. Lee's clinic saw a slow, but hopeful, decline in patients suffering from noise-induced mental health issues. The story served as a powerful reminder: not all pollution is visible. And sometimes, the loudest damage is the one we cannot see. In a world growing noisier by the day, protecting peace and silence became not just a luxury, but a necessity for mental well-being. Thanks for watching. If video like, please share and subscribe my channel.